The more that we use technology and the more this takes up our time, um, we don't really know what the psychological effects of that are. We don't know what the psychological effects are of a cell phone. We don't know what the psychological effects are of doing therapy in this way. We don't know whether we're helping people or we're not helping people using technology. So it would be good if we started to think about that and
Mm.
about how we might work together. For example, sometimes therapists will ask someone, a teenager, for example, who's using their phone all the time, stop using their phone for a few weeks. Sometimes when a teenager does that, someone who's used to using a phone every single day for long periods of time, they immediately get happier. I don't think that happens necessarily with adults, but I do know that it seems to happen with adolescents.
Wow.
So I have an interest in that. I'd like to know why that happens.
Yeah.
Why does someone who was playing the piano all the time when they were 10 stop playing the piano and now they're 16 and they haven't played again? And what happens when they stop using technology and go back to playing the piano? Um, and then then we have to use technology. We live in that kind of a world. Then how do we kind of switch back? I mean, how are we going to do all this? And how do we what might we advise people to do if in order to lessen their anxieties and worries about everything?